Yeah. That discovery, this is the glossary of law terms of the Department of Justice. Yeah. Now, I would think that the DOJ is really going to be handing out some checks this next week, aren't you? Yeah. hmm The states are going to want a lot more money from the federal government and for the attorney generals of the United States. Yeah. And all those attorneys that represent the United States. Yes. Why don't you go ahead and get the checkbook out in the DOJ? Because I'm going to want checks sent to every state of the United States. I don't ever want to hear that any poor American citizen is being deprived of meaningful access to judicial review because of the cheap individuals in the Department of Defense that think their needs are more important than the American population. So if Barr, yeah, wanted to call the Secretary of the Department of Defense, why don't you go ahead and put some money from the military in the DOJ and you send out a check to every state of the United States? We're going to need a lot more federal funding. Oh. Now I know it's busy there in the White House. Yes. And you thought that nobody actually listens to what I have to say. Yes. But for the attorneys of the United States of America, I want you to send a large check to each and every state in the United States for approximately $1 billion. Yeah. And I want every court funded for the indigent needs of those that need to have meaningful access to you. See, there's what's known as discovery. Yes, something I haven't been able to experience. No. Lawyer's examination before trial of facts and documents in possession of the opponents. Yes, to help lawyers prepare for trial. Yes. Now, discovery, yes, has been deprived of myself since July 2nd of 2011. Yes, where if I had been able to respond before the issuance of the first permanent protection order in August of 2011, an attorney would have been able to examine before the actual trial of the permanent court hearing. Yeah. Any documents that were in possession of my wife, the ex parte petitioner for a protection order. Now, I would have told my attorney, yes, that I was in jail when she motioned the court for the temporary protection order. When I got out of jail, yes, she didn't take it upon herself to give me any due process. And then when Judge Ken Williams issued that permanent protection order, yes, I didn't get served while you were issuing that 1 year protection order. You served me on Guam because of probation. Oh,